Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. And this is our chapter 1. Name of the chapter is measurement. And it is our lecture 2. And today's subtopics are first of all we will do practice questions. Exercise 1A. We will do questions 5, 6, 7. Questions 5 to 7. And along with this, we will do our second topic, that is measurement, conversion of weight. In previous lecture, we have done about length. And in this lecture, we will do about weight. Conversions I will explain you. So let's start with our first topic, exercise 1A. We will continue. Here is our exercise 1A on page number 5. Okay. This is given in your term 3 book. Don't get confused. Let's start with our exercise 1A. Question number 5. Express (17.5) meter in decimeter, centimeter, millimeter and decameter, hectometer and kilometer. All the units are taken here. Okay, we have to do 17.5 meter in conversion into decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Okay, so start the solution. First of all, write down the given term 17.5 meter. First of all, we will convert it into first unit. First is decimeter. Okay, so let's start. 1 meter is equal to dash decimeter. Now write down King Harry died. King Harry died. Mother did not cry much. Now you all know it is decameter. And here, as we are doing related to length, so M we will write down. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay. Now we want to know the formula 1 meter is equal to dash decimeter. Here it is meter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. One step below we are moving from bigger to smaller. Right? Now in place of 1 we will write down 17.5 meter is equal to 17.5 multiplied by 10 decimeter. And it will become, decimal will shift 1 place forward as 1 0 is there in 10. So 175 decimeter. Now check our next part. we have to convert 17.5 meter into centimeter. Write down again the formula for that. One meter is equal to dash centimeter. Right? Now check from here. 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. How much steps? Smaller unit you are going. 2 steps down you are going. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Understood? Now 17.5 meter is equal to 17.5 multiply by 100 centimeter. 2 zeros are there in 100. Decimal will shift 2 places forward. One number we have, 1 0 we will put. So it will become 1750 centimeter. Understood? Now next part is we have to convert 17.5 meter into millimeter. So 1 meter is equal to dash millimeter. Check again your King Harry diet. From here, millimeter to meter to millimeter. 1, 2 and 3 steps down. Okay. So it will become 1 millimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. And 17.5 meter is equal to 17.5 multiply by 1000 millimeter is equal to 3 zeros are there. Decimal will shift 3 places forward. So one place we have, 2 places we don't have. We will put 2 zeros. Millimeter. Now what is this number? 17,500 millimeter. Now in this same question, next part is convert 17.5 meter into decameter. So write down 1 meter is equal to dash decameter. Again check. King Harry died. Mother did not cry much. Meter to decameter. One step above you are going. Smaller to bigger. So 1 upon 10. 17.5 meter is equal to 17.5 upon 10 decameter. As denominator is containing 10, 1 0 is there in denominator, so decimal will shift 1 place backward. So it will become 1.75 decameter. Got it? In this same question, next part is convert 17.5 meter into hectometer. Now 1 meter is equal to dash hectometer. Meter to hectometer. Check here. 1 and 1. 2 steps above. So it will become 1 upon 100. Now in place of 1, write down your given number. 17.5 meter is equal to 17.5 upon 100 hectometer. Now it will become 2 zeros are there. Decimal will shift 2 places backward. 0.175 hectometer. 17.5 meter will become 0.175 hectometer. So this is your complete next solution. And the last part in this question is convert 17.5 meter into kilometer. All the units are taken here in for one single number. Now 1 meter is equal to how much kilometer? 1, 2 and 3 steps above. So 1 upon 1000. Okay. So it will become 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. And 17.5 meter is equal to 17.5 upon 1000 kilometer. Right? 3 zeros are there. Decimal will shift 3 places back. 1 and 2. 2 digits we have. Third digit we will put 0. It will become decimal 0.0175 kilometer. Right? So in this one question we have done 6 conversions. 3 smaller units and 3 bigger units. Means if you have understood this single question, you can do all type of questions in which conversions are needed. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is convert 98 kilometer to hectometer and decameter. Right? Start solution. 1 kilometer is equal to dash hectometer. King Harry died. Mother did not cry much. Okay. Kilometer to hectometer. One step down we are coming. Bigger to smaller. 1 kilometer, 10 hectometer. And 98 kilometer. 98 multiply 10 hectometer. It will become 980 hectometer. Okay. Also in the next part is convert in kilometer into decameter. Now see what will be the formula. Kilometer to kilometer to decameter. 1 and 1, 2 steps down you are coming. So you will write down 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. Now 98 kilometer is equal to 98 multiplied by 100 decameter. 9800. Directly 0 you will put. So it will become 9800 decameter. 98 kilometer will become 9800 decameter. Clear? Now next question is question number 7. Convert 1249 meter to hectometer, decameter and decimeter. So first of all, let's see what will be the units. 1 meter is equal to dash hectometer and 1 meter is equal to dash decameter. Let's see. Meter to hectometer, 1 and 1, 2 steps above. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 100 hectometer. And 1 meter is how much decameter? 1 step above we are going. 1 meter, 1 upon 10 decameter. Understood? So we have got our formulas. 1 upon 100 and 1 upon 10. Now 1249 meter is equal to 1249 upon 100. It will become hectometer. And here it is meter. 2 zeros are there. So it will become 12.49 hectometer. Clear? Now we have done many questions. I think you can do orally also these formulas. Now do the next part. 1 meter 1 upon 10 decameter. 1249 meter is equal to 1249 upon 10 decameter. It will become 124.9 decameter. And next part is convert meter into decimeter. So 1 meter is equal to dash decimeter. Check here, meter to decimeter. One step down you are going. So 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. And the given number is 1249 meter is equal to 1249 multiplied by 10 decimeter. 1 0 will be added to the right side. It will become 12,490 meter decimeter. 12,490 decimeter. Now we will take our next topic, weight. We use the word weight of a body instead of mass. And the standard unit for the mass is grams. What are these conversion units for weight? Same formula. We are going to take King, Harry, died. Now in place of mother, here it is grandmother. Did not cry much. Right? Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay? And the process is again same. When you will move from bigger to smaller, multiply by 10 in each step. And when you will move from smaller to bigger, divide by 10 in each step. हर step में 10 will be taken. When we are moving from bigger to smaller, multiply by 10, and smaller to bigger, divide by 10 in each step. So tell me 1 kilogram is equal to dash hectogram. Look here, 1 kilogram, 10 hectogram. And now tell me 1 centigram is equal to dash gram. Look here, centigram. 2 gram we are going. 1 and 2. 2 steps we are going from smaller to bigger. So 1 upon 100. Got it? In this way, the same is there as we have done for measurement of length. Only in the place of meter, it is gram. The standard unit of mass is gram. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay? You can ask in your query classes. Now, it's time to take homework. And your homework is do questions 3, 4 and 8 of exercise 1A in notebook. Right? Now it's time to do homework discussion. Homework discussion of lecture 1. So take out your notebooks. You have to match the answers and do corrections if needed. Question 1b part was that convert 26 meter into dash decimeter, dash centimeter and dash millimeter. So you all know we have done yesterday in the previous lecture that 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. So 26 meter will become 26 into 10. I am not explaining now complete method as we have done previously. Now you are going to match. Are you getting the correct answers? If no, then you know the steps. Okay. And the next was 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This part now I am telling. Second part, this one. And in place of 1 there is 26 meter is equal to 26 multiplied by 100. 2600 centimeter. And then next part, C part, 1 meter is equal to dash millimeter. From King Harry died, you know we are moving 3 steps from bigger to smaller. So in place of 1 we will write down 26 meter. 26 multiplied by 1000. So 3 zeros we are going to write down. Now what is this number? 26,000 millimeter. Have you got the answers correct? Check your answers. This one, then 2600 and then 26,000. If no, you will do corrections. Question 2b part was given. Convert 2005 meter into decameter, hectometer, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Look here, meter to decameter 1 upon 10, meter to hectometer 1 upon 100, 2 steps above, and meter to kilometer 3 steps above, so 1 upon 1000. So you have to write down the formulas first. 1 meter is equal to decameter is equal to 1 upon 10 decameter. And then next formula is 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 100 hectometer. And next formula is 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. First of all, you should know the formulas. And now 2005 meter will become 2005 upon 10. So 200.5 decameter. Got it? What we have to do? We have to divide it by 10. If you have any doubt, I can tell you again. Look here. Now is it clear to you? 1 0 is there, so you will put decimal here after one's before one's place. Now second part, 2005 meter will become 20.05 hectometer. And now third one, 1 meter 1 upon 1000 kilometer. 2005 meter will become 2005 upon 1000, that is 2.005 kilometer. Understood? These can come in the form of fill-ups in your test, in your exams. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.